Oh Lord.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Octane Red _292. Today we're gonna be doing some tweaks to my buddy's car. We're gonna be adding tire letters to the tires, and the side marker, we're gonna add a different side marker to it. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick walk around. We're gonna get to it. Alright guys, so now we have the wheels off the car. It's on jack stands, as you can see. Got the wheels down right behind me. I'm gonna clean the rims off, do a car wash on it right quick because it's a little dirty. Gonna clean it up real nice. Then we're gonna go through the steps of properly preparing the tires for the tire stickers that are gonna go on these, as well as the light install. I have another video of that, of me putting it on my car. I'll just be doing it again. So if you're familiar with that part, you can skip past that. But if not, you wanna watch it again, I'm gonna try to record it as best I can because I'm the only one right now able to record the video. So some of it'll be just some cool music and me doing my job. So. So first step to getting your tires prepped for tire stickers, permanent tire letters, is getting a clean base. So we're gonna start with a thin layer of acetone to take off all the oil and all the impurities or whatever that's in the rubber. So first step, we're gonna add acetone to the areas where you want to put the letters at. So if you already have an area lined up, like marks on your tires where you want the letters to be at, I would focus definitely mostly on that part. If you don't know yet, just clean the whole tire off. See how that's coming off? In the instructions, it says to keep wiping until there's no more noticeable oil and dirt coming on your rag. Alright guys, so that was this light right here. We're going to be changing that light out with this light, which is a solid beam. It's going to go right there. These come tinted as well. I believe my buddy got these off of Amazon. I'll have these on my Amazon store, and you guys can get some of these for your chargers. It fills in this whole entire thing. Instead of just having that one little bulb up here, get this whole side right here for more visibility at nighttime. So it's pretty cool. I have it on my car. I did it on my other buddy's car too. So I'm gonna reposition the camera and get started. First thing you do, just take these pins off. That one's already out. This is a star or a T bit. I don't know why they made this one different size, but I believe it's a T20. The same size as the stuff for the headliner. Yeah, that's what it is. Your ratchet or your T20 bit, get in here. It's only one screw, so this one you can just turn the wheel on the front. I took his rims off because I was doing his tire letters that you've seen earlier in this video. The screw is the same screw that goes back in these. Actually, two screws, sorry. Once you loosen them up, you can just first screw. Still gotta loosen this top one up some more. I really need some power tools. There's the second one. All you have to do after that is get the retention pin. You just squeeze the clamp down, pops right out. New one, it's gonna pop right in. And how you tell them apart is, they say it on the sides of them. So this says right side, so this is on the other side. As you can see, it will not fit. Do it like that, fits opposite. So they're kind of foolproof. They're one-sided only, so it makes it easier installation, I guess you can say that. But then up top it has a L for left, and I'm assuming on this one, yep, an R for right. So they're labeled, so you can't get them mixed up. So you have to worry about putting them on the wrong side or anything like that. It just snaps back in. I'm gonna hit the lights for you right quick to show you how it looks. So you see the visibility you have, the more visibility you have at nighttime, with this light. It's gonna be the same thing in the rear, and that one's actually red. This one's amber because it's an amber light up here, so it has to stay the same color, I guess. It gives the car a better look at night as well, and it's also more visible, so it's also safety. It's a safety improvement. So there you go. Now turn these off and finish installing this one and the rest of it. Same process for the other ones. Now, full disclosure, the rear ones, you do have to remove your rear wheel just because of how tight the space is. So with that, you have to jack up the back and take the wheels off.
I'ma make it burn, 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 I'ma make it burn.
All right, guys, so getting the car back to Master Barber with a charger. He likes it. We're gonna see how it holds up. Y'all check out that reflective calipers he got though. You see that reflective? Yeah, keep it clean. Even though I cleaned it today, but he keep it clean.
I'ma make it burn, I'ma make it burn, I'ma make it burn, I'ma make it burn.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, here's some more videos you can check out. Before you do that though, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, so this way you're notified when we post out awesome new content. Go Jags!